First, we lay out our serviette open and fold it into 3 lengthwise. 1/3 from one side and again from the other side. Very simple. Now we'll again fold it into 1/3 lengthwise from one side and then from the other side. Okay, 1/3 first, 1/3 again. Now we keep our serviette open like this, and from here we fold it diagonally like this, and this part will go on overlapping this. Okay, pay attention here. Fold it diagonally like this. This goes on top of this, and this part will be folded like this, so that our cone will have a nice base and should be able to stand by itself, this side facing the guest. Cone.